you know that density is equals to mass over volume. We are looking for the volume, so volume is now equal to density over mass over density. If you cross multiply and make the volume the subject of the formula. Now, option A says 42.80 mil. Option B says 43 mil. Option C says 42.73 mil. Option D says 42.74 mil. But after this calculation, you will get something like 42.7350 or 1 something mil. Now you need to approximate D because it's a continuous number. Now, looking at this thing theoretically, just by virtue of mere calculation, you can just round it up. Looking at the options to 2 decimal places is okay. And option A says 42.80. There's no way you can approximate this and you get 42.80 because the last digit, the digit following digit 7, taking them as their face value anyway, digit following 7 is 3. So there's no way, and the one following that 3 is 5. There's no way you can approximate it and get 8 for 2.80 mil. So A is not the option. B is for 3 mil. And you know that if you actually, practically maybe I have not seen any equipment. I have not seen any equipment measuring 43 mil, measuring to 2 decimal place. I've not seen a volume measuring instrument that can easily measure into 2 decimal places. For practical purposes, I will choose 43 mil because that is what I have seen that you can actually measure. But this question is just a calculation. They want you to know the volume. It's not a question that has to do with measuring a volume. So that's why I will not choose option B. Now, let's go to where the issue lies is option C and D. Option C says 42.73 million. Now, if you go to the original result, you have 42.735 something. If you check that 5, that taking them at their face value, that 5 behind the 3, in the rule of approximation, because it's up to 5, you round up, you round the figure before that 5 up by calling the 550 and taking it away and taking 1 and add to that figure preceding that 5. So that's why you get something like 42.74 mil. But if you choose 42.3773 mil, that means you are throwing that 5 away. It's too big to throw away. I wouldn't throw it away. So that's why I will not choose option C. For option D, I will choose option D with my full chest, because if you are taking them at their face value, we have 5 behind that 3. So rounding up will give you 42.74. Although there are other schools of thought that insist on 5. If it's 5, is more than 5, you approximate. If it's 5, you throw it away. But I don't belong to that school of thought. I belong to the school of thought that believe that you should round up. If the 5, if it's up to 5. So that's why I will choose option D, 42.74 million. All right, thank you.